In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk emails from Brevo. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in, create a campaign, choose your audience, design the message, adjust key settings, and schedule your send. Before we start, make sure you already have a Brevo account and that your contacts are properly permissioned and organized into a list you intend to email. Open your browser and head to Brevo's login page. On the sign-in screen, choose Sign In with Google, then select the Google account associated with your Brevo workspace. Once you're in, go to the Marketing section, then open Campaigns. This is your hub for creating and managing email campaigns. Click Create Campaign, then select Email to launch a standard email campaign. You'll be asked to name your campaign. Pick a clear descriptive name that helps you recognize the goal or audience later, like Spring Promo, Existing Customers. When you're ready, confirm by creating the campaign to move into setup. Next, add your recipients. Click Add Recipients and choose the contact list you want to target. Take a moment to double check you've picked the correct list and that it aligns with your message. It's a good idea to verify the list size and ensure it only includes subscribers who expect to hear from you. Add your subject line. Keep it concise, specific, and aligned with the content inside. If you're using pre-header text in your account, make it support the subject for clarity and better opens. Now start your design. Begin editing your email with Brevo's Builder. Keep branding consistent, use clear headings, and write scannable copy with one primary call to action. Make sure your images have descriptive alt text and check that buttons are easy to tap on mobile. Aim for a simple layout, fast-loading images, and accessible color contrast. When your content looks good, save and quit to return to the campaign overview. From here, open Edit Settings to review important details like the sender name and address, reply to, and tracking options. Confirm everything matches your brand and compliance needs, including your physical address and the footer if required in your region. Finally, click Schedule to choose when to send. You can send immediately or select a date and time that suits your audience's time zone. If your list is large, consider scheduling during a window when your subscribers are most active to maximize engagement. That's it. You've signed in, built your campaign, selected recipients, refined your content, checked settings, and scheduled your send, all inside Brevo.